Hey everybody, and Happy New Year. I'm excited to be back in the kitchen today, especially as I got a little sick over the holidays. But this month is all about healthy, nourishing, and wholesome foods. That means no desserts, and all recipes on my website will be Whole30 compliant. Today we're making a zucchini pasta with lemon garlic shrimp, and you guys know that I love my zucchini noodles. It's a fast and simple recipe that makes it perfect for any weeknight meal. I'm also happy to announce that a video you guys have requested for a very long time, which is a sneak peek inside my apartment, is happening later this month with a tour of my modern and minimalist living room. So stay tuned for that. But for now, let's dive into this recipe. Because this recipe comes together so quickly, it's best to prep all of our ingredients ahead of time. And that ensures that we don't accidentally overcook our shrimp. So we'll start by zesting and juicing 1 lemon, finely chopping 4 garlic cloves, and chopping about 1/4 cup of fresh parsley. To make our zucchini noodles, slice the ends off each zucchini. I'm using 3 large zucchini, but if your zucchini are smaller, you could use 4. Then place them on your spiralizer and create zucchini noodles. If you don't have a spiralizer, make sure to watch my video on how to make zucchini noodles for a few alternate methods. Though I do think a spiralizer is a worthwhile investment, and it's only about $20. Next, we'll heat up some olive oil in a large saute pan and add our raw shrimp to the pan. Try to get them in one flat layer and then season with salt and pepper. The shrimp only need about a minute to cook on each side, so while they're cooking on the first side, measure out 1/4 cup of white wine. Add the chopped garlic and stir the shrimp for another minute or so, making sure the other side gets fully cooked. Then remove them to a plate. Add 2 tablespoons of butter or ghee to the pan, along with the lemon juice, lemon zest, and a pinch of red pepper flakes. Let this simmer and reduce for 2 to 3 minutes, then add the parsley and zucchini noodles. Once all of the zucchini noodles are in the pan, toss them for about a minute, just enough to coat them and heat them up without cooking too much. Then add the shrimp back in, give it a stir, and serve it up. I hope you guys liked today's video, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up as it helps my channel, and hit that subscribe button below so you don't miss next week's video.